Hi there. This video is next week's extraordinary aggressive heat wave spike of 28 Celsius weather forecast UK 25. If you like this video, press the thumbs up. Links on the right side. The day today is, wow, you name it, Sunday evening, guys. 27th April. So, this is the forecast I'm doing right now for next week's weather forecast. Here we go. This is the upper global sea temperature of the day, so into today. Off the west coast of South America, Pacific, East and Central and Western Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean upper global sea temperature today, North Atlantic upper global sea temperature today, off the west coast of Africa upper global sea temperature today, and the Gulf of Mexico upper global sea temperature today, guys. Wow, fascinating! So it looks like we're going towards, well, we were going towards El Nino in the East Pacific region. It looks like we're going towards and back into neutral, weak La Nina territory in the East Pacific region at the moment, which is interesting. It could well be a double dip La Nina this year, maybe, which is bizarre, but it could happen. It'll be a weak one at that, I think. But it is interesting to see temperature there up here, so it's interesting, but we'll see. And it's quite warm across the Atlantic Ocean at the moment, so there's a dangerous hurricane system this year coming along. There's a lot of danger there. It's very warm waters around the North Sea and around the UK at the moment. It's very warm this spring, above average temperatures. It looks like we're going to get 28 Celsius next week. This is my weather forecast across the UK, South East Southern England regions. We'll see what happens, guys. Historically speaking, fascinating, guys, isn't it? And this is the forecast from the American 12 GFS model for the future across the UK. We go for from now, present time. So a lot of high pressure building up from the south. They bring some very hot air. Temperatures getting 26, maybe 27, 28 across southeast sub regions as we get into Wednesday into Thursday, into it on Friday. Then it cools off a little bit as we go into the weekend. There might be a thundery breakdown this weekend, next weekend. I can't rule it out. We've done coming from the northeast there, easterly winds, a bit unstable air there, air mass wise. And the high pressure stays over the UK. There's lots of high pressure over Greenland there and over Scandinavia, which is interesting. But high pressure over the UK as well, which is fascinating, guys. Which is fascinating. And you get the 13th of May there, so it looks like wet weather. It looks like the last half of May might be quite wet, and the first half of May might be quite warm, but dry. Maybe not as warm, maybe hot. Like, it's going to vary. It can be very flexible. May 2025 will be probably very mixed May. And this is the upper air temperature of the future. You can see, even if it does rain, we've still got upper air temperature quite warm across the UK. Not that warm, but warmish. Which is fascinating across the North Sea. This is even May showers to look out for. This is the temperature, 30-year average. Yep. Red line's the 30-year average upper air temperature. White line's where the temperature going to well above it. That's a 10 there, which is fascinating. The blue one's going higher. The green one's going down in the future. It goes down below it as you get towards the 7th of May into the 1st of May. Then it goes up a little bit. But it's all in the playful, guys. Look, these are rainfall spikes down to quite some aggressive ones that go high. So there might be some rain in the future. Like I was saying to Jack in the Box thunderstorms. This is my weather forecast for next week. We'll see what happens. This is the weather forecast for Met Office of Woking Town. Tomorrow, highs of 22 Celsius, sunshine and clouds will vary through this week. I wouldn't take that Tuesday for sunshine all day. It could be a bit of whispery cloud in the sky. And the same on Wednesday and Thursday. It's still going to get quite hot even if you've got a bit of thin cloud in the sky. It could be clear blue sky all day, but it will vary next week. It will be more sunshine up until about Sunday potentially. This forecast is to change. And you can see it next week, it does turn on settled and cooler, 18, 17 Celsius by day. But in that far ahead is unlikely guarantee. It's what we call paradise forecasting. And this is the weather across the American states right now. You can see what's going on there. There's some very violent tornadoes potentially out of these supercell wall clouds. There might be some F1s, F3s in these tornado systems. Yet there might be some tornadoes in these storm systems. Watch Reed's team tonight. They're storm chasing right now. They started about 11:30 UK time, which is approximately 5:30 in the USA, in American time. So they're actually storm chasing right now. These storms here. So watch Reed's team tonight, storm chasing videos tonight if you want to watch Stay Out Late, or catch up tomorrow. That's my advice. Subscribe to his YouTube. And this is Jackson. See what he was doing. It's quite unsettled there a little bit. It was interesting. A bit unsettled that day. And this is this place. There's got some thunderstorms there coming away. It might be to tornadoes. They're hard to predict tornadoes are. Depends on the location. And this is the Arctic oscillation. That's been positive. The same with the North Atlantic oscillation. When that's been positive as well. They're both positive, but that means you've got, high pressure over the UK and low pressure over Greenland and over Scandinavia, which is interesting. Please subscribe to my show on Science Evans. I'm one of the best man in the universe, in the galaxy. Please subscribe to on Science Evans. Put a thumbs up right side screen. This is my podcast today. Leave my forecast 28 Celsius next week, potentially, maybe a bit higher. I've seen it in 2018 with 29 to 30 Celsius across the UK. Can't run it out. Please subscribe on Science Evans. Enjoy the heat wave next week. Smile, be happy. Discuss on Sunday.